This is a quick tutorial on how to use the basics of the Alabama Virtual Library. First, you should open an internet browser and go to avl.lib.al.us. Your screen should look like this. Next, you will want to click on the High School button. As you scroll down, you will see all of the different databases that are available in Alabama Virtual Library. We are going to start by clicking on EBSCOhost Search. In this search bar is where you will perform a basic search for your topic. For this video purpose, we will search later school start times. Then click Search. After clicking Search, you will be able to view all the articles that match your topic in this particular database. This is where you will want to spend some time researching and reading through several different articles and finding some that matches your topic and what you want to write about regarding your topic. I'm going to open this article that's titled Benefits of Later School Start Times. When you open an article, it'll bring up an abstract or a summary of what the article is about. This is helpful because you can just read the summary and not have to review the entire article to learn what it is about. Once you decide that you want to read the full article, you have to click the PDF full text link on the left-hand side. This is what the full article looks like once it is opened. Now you should take some time to read over the article. If you decide that this would be a good source for your research paper, there are a few steps that we need to take next. But first, you have to back out to the abstract. You can do that simply by clicking the back button. Next, I want you to notice the tool menu on the right-hand side of the screen. It has lots of helpful buttons that can help you when writing a research paper. First, we're going to look at the email tool. Once you click on the email button, it will open up a window where you will simply enter your email in the box that says Email Tool. So here I will enter my email. So as a way to stay organized and to save time by not having to go back and look for articles that you wanted to read later, it is a good idea to email all articles that you find that you want to use to yourself so that they will be in your inbox. So here, after I entered my email, I just hit send and it sent it to my email inbox. The next helpful tool that we are going to look at is the Listen tool. As you can see, the Listen tool is on the bottom right-hand corner of this screen and it says Listen. You click on it and it'll open up the article, and all you do is click play and it will read the article for you. Now let's back out of this page and look at some more tools available to us. One of the best features on AVL is the Cite tool. You'll see it here on the right-hand side in the toolbar. It looks like a piece of paper with a corner turned down and it says Cite. You click on Cite and you scroll down until you see MLA, and it gives you the MLA citation for this piece of work. This MLA citation is the citation that you will include at the end of your research paper on the Works Cited page. So all you need to do here is to select all of this citation. You can right-click and copy it, or if you're on an iPad, then you'll have to move the parameters around it like this. Once you've selected the entire citation, then you will simply copy and paste it onto the Works Cited page of your research paper. Now that we have a basic understanding of how to use EBSCOhost, we're going to back out to the main menu page. You can click on the tab at the top of the screen that says High School Resources Alabama Virtual Library, and it will take you back out to the main page where all the databases are listed. Explora for high schools is another great option for your research paper, so click on Explora, and this is what it should look like. It works the same as EBSCO. You'll simply enter a search for your research topic in the search bar and hit search. Explora works in the same way as EBSCO that we looked at earlier, and that it'll bring up any articles that match your search criteria. So here you will scroll down until you find an article that looks good for you, and then you will simply click to open it. Explora is different in that it does not have an abstract for you to read, but it opens the full article automatically. Here you will read over the article and decide if it will be good for your research purposes. Once we are finished here, we're going to go back out and explore another database. So let's go back out to our database listings. And next we are going to look at the database called Opposing Viewpoints. So click on Opposing Viewpoints. Opposing Viewpoints works the same as the other databases in that you simply enter a search for your topic, and it will bring up any articles in this database that matches your topic. Opposing Viewpoints is a little different in that it points out the different types of formats that these are in. So it'll say images, news articles, viewpoints, audios that you can listen to, academic journals, magazines, or websites. So it shows you the source formatting up front, so you can choose to go from there. And here we are going to look at School Start Times, Impact of Changing Middle and High School Start Times on Sleep. So when you open the article, it will bring up the full text and also an abstract. So it kind of combines EBSCO and Explora together. Also, you see that it has the source citation, so it works as the same as the other databases. It simply just does not have the toolbar on the right-hand side. It lists it all on the screen for you. So now that we know how to navigate AVL and we have found a few sources that we would like to use, I'm going to give you some ideas of how to find a topic for your research paper. So here on the main menu, we will go back to Gale in Context Opposing Viewpoints. Once you click into the database, you'll scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen where you see the blue rectangle that says Browse All 473 Issues, and this is where you will click, and you can scroll down and explore hundreds of issues that are current and in the news today. And the good thing is that you can click on any of these and it will bring up a summary of what the topic encompasses. So let's try one. So I clicked on college admissions process and it brings up a summary, and you can choose to read more and it'll take you to another page where it has more details on the topic. It tells you main ideas and some bulleted points. So this Browse Issues option is a great tool to use on Opposing Viewpoints because it gives you a chance to explore different topics that maybe you haven't considered for writing a research paper. So that is my quick tutorial on how to use the basics in Alabama Virtual Library. If you have any problems, the best way to answer any questions that you have is just to go to Alabama Virtual Library and click on sites, click on links. There are also some help links available if you have any questions that I was not able to answer in this video.